Understanding mandatory course in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of a commonly used term in educational settings, mandatory course. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious about English, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how it's used. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the word mandatory. It's an adjective, which means it describes or modifies a noun. Mandatory refers to something that is required or compulsory. When something is mandatory, it must be done or followed. There's no choice or alternative. For example, wearing a helmet is mandatory for motorcycle riders in many countries. Now, let's look at the word course. In an educational context, a course is a series of lessons or lectures on a particular subject. It can be part of a larger program of study at schools, colleges, or universities. For instance, a course in English literature might cover various novels, plays, and poems. When we combine these two words, mandatory course, we're talking about a course that students are required to take and complete. It's not optional. A mandatory course is often a part of a curriculum that needs to be completed to fulfill the requirements for a degree, diploma, or other educational certifications. For example, mathematics might be a mandatory course for engineering students. Let's put mandatory course into some sentences to see how it's used. In my first year of university, taking a foreign language was a mandatory course. The school's curriculum includes a mandatory course on environmental studies. Mandatory courses are designed to ensure that all students have a foundational understanding of certain key subjects that are deemed essential by the educational institution. They help maintain a standard of education and equip students with basic knowledge and skills necessary for their field of study. And there you have it. Now you understand what a mandatory course is and why it's an important part of many educational programs. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate the world of English learning with more confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.